Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In the last video, we studied how to interface 7-segment display with PIC16F877 microcontroller. In today's video I will show you how to display numbers using array. Let's start the video. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G and click on the bell icon. Arrays. Arrays are used to store related items in the same block of memory and under a specified name. An array is declared by specifying its type, name, and the number of elements it will store. For example, unsigned int code 5. Here I defined an array. That array has unsigned int. Data type, code is name and number of elements stored in this array is 5. The first element of an array is indexed with 0. Code 0 refers to the first element of the array and code 4 refers to the last element. The array code is stored in memory in 5 consecutive. The contents of an array can be initialized during the declaration of the array by assigning a sequence of comma-delimited values to the array. Example: unsigned char. Day 7 equals bracket Sunday, comma. Monday, comma. Tuesday, comma. Wednesday, comma. Thursday, comma. Friday, comma. Saturday curly bracket. Where array day has 7 elements. Day 0 equals Sunday, day 1 equals Monday, day 2 equals Tuesday, day 3 equals Wednesday, day 4 equals Thursday, day 5 equals Friday, day 6 equals Saturday. Project: how to display numbers using array. In this project, I will show you the design of a 7-segment based counter which counts from 9 to 0 continuously with some delay between counts. Segments A to G of the display are connected to port of the microcontroller through 190 ohm current limiting resistors, and the microcontroller is operated from an 8 MHz crystal. Here is the circuit diagram we are using in our project. It is PIC16F877 microcontroller. Pin number 1 is master reset. If we press the switch it will reset the microcontroller. Port C is interfaced with 7-segment display. And we are using common anode type 7-segment display. All segments are connected with microcontroller through a current limiting resistor. And the value of the resistors is 190 ohm. And common pin is interfaced with positive supply. Pin numbers 13 and 14 are the interface with an 8 MHz crystal and 22 PF capacitors are connected with the crystal. Pin number 11 and 32 are connected with positive 5 volts. Pin number 12 and 31 are connected with ground volt. Let's draw this circuit in Proteus. The circuit is ready now. We will write its code in MikroC PIC. Here is the window where we can write the code. I already wrote the code, otherwise video gets very long. I will copy the code. And I will paste it here. Now I will define you the code. Unsigned char code 10. This line define data type character array named code and it has total 10 elements. 0x79, 0x24, 0x30, 0x19, 0x12, 0x02, 0x78, 0x00, 0x10, and 0x40. These are same hex code we used in last video. But in this video we are using these code in array pattern. That is more efficient technique. Unsigned char. Number. Define variable named number. Void ms delay. Unsigned char. Time. Here is function of delay with variable named time. Unsigned int. Y, z. Define variable named y and z. For loop. Y equals 0. Y less than time. And increment y. Z equals 0. Z less than 500. And increment z. We are using for loop as delay. Void main. Main function. Main code start from here. TRISC equals 0x00. It is hex value. Its binary code is 00000000. Set port C as output port. Port C equals 0xFF. It is hex value. Its binary code is 11111111. Clear port C. It will turn off all segments. While 1. Endless loop. It will repeat code again and again. 4. Number equals 10, number greater than 0 and decrement the number. Port C equals code. Number. This line find the code and send that data to port C. The first value of the number is 10, it will give that value to array code. And array find data. That is data for code 10. And send data to port C and show 0 on 7 segment display. After that call delay function. This delay decide how long you can display character on 7 segments display. Next step. For loop decrement the variable number. Now the value of number is 9. It will give that value to array code array find data. And send data to port C and show 9 on 7 segment display. After that again call delay function. Next step. The value of number is 8. It will find data and send that data to port C. And show 8 on 7 segment display. Next step. The value of number is 7. And show 7 on 7 segment display. And step by step it will show all digits on 7 segments display. Now we will create the hex file. Just click on the build icon. Finished successfully. File is created. Now we will load hex file into the microcontroller. Double click on the microcontroller. Select the hex file. OK. And click on the run simulation. You can see it will start counting. If you have any problem with the code, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Star Technology 5G. And keep watching Star Technology 5G.